Hi, this is Terry White, and this is video 2 in the series on information technology for non-IT executives. So let's get started. I think the most comforting thing for a non-IT executive to understand is that IT is not about technology. Yes, there's a lot of technology out there, and you will hear and read all sorts of fancy silver bullet technologies that your organization can use to change the way you work. However, if you look wider than that, there's an enormous amount of technology out there. So the question that you should be asking is, does it make my business work better? Does it improve my business? Otherwise, you really shouldn't be paying attention to it. So your core question, how will this technology help my business directly? What are the numbers? What's the CapEx? What's the operating cost? Where's the break-evens? Where are the benefits and how are they quantified? And how are they going to be achieved? Ultimately, what are the outcomes that will result from your organization using this technology? That's the so what question. So what if you have a brand new website? How will that change the way my business works? Now, to my mind, there are only two types of technology. There is what I call common technology, and whilst they might be different technologies in different organizations, essentially the type of technology being used is common to just about every organization. You have infrastructures, which is your base technology, and then you have software packages. Don't worry about that ERP. It's essentially an enterprise-wide software, and CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management Software. It really doesn't matter what the acronyms are. Because the issue is it's not about the technology, it's how your organization uses it. And the emphasis must be on standardization, cost effectiveness, and maturity of the technology. Then you get a second type of technology, which is really competitive edge or core technology to your organizations. Now, many business people, and in fact IT people, say this is a core technology. My view is that if it does not specifically set your products, markets, and channels apart from your competition, it is not a core technology. And even if it does, it only may be a core technology. There is a school of thought that says that you only have a core technology or a competitive advantage for a short time because other people catch up with you very quickly. So your main core competence, to my mind, is in your data, your processes, your intellectual property, and most importantly, lies in your people. There was a study done a number of years back where they discovered that winning companies win whether they have good technology or bad, because it's how they use their people, processes, and technology and knowledge that makes the difference. It's not the technology all on its own.